Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BYDALESMITH, as you already know, and if you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and try to watch my previous videos. That would mean a lot to me. For today's video is going to be basically about how to get your eyeshadow done without an eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited about this one because I know you're wondering how that is possible, but yes, we're going to do that in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, I'm going to be prepping my skin. I'm going to be starting with skin work. I'm not going to be starting with my eyebrows, so let's get started. I'm going to be using my favorite products, Hydrates, to prepare my skin. So I usually make use of this moisturizer slash primer because I have a dry skin and I don't want my face to look all ashy when I'm done with my makeup. So that is why I'm always using this, and I really love the product. It smells so good. So I'm just going to be waiting for a few seconds so that the moisturizer dries into my skin. 60 seconds to be precise. So it's all dried up. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. Where are you? It's right here. Since I'm starting with skin work, I like to dab my foundation into my skin with my fingers, then go in with the brush to just do the finishing. I'm just going to go in with my concealer to get the highlights done and my contour done. Yeah, with this will be for my highlight, this will be for my contour. Contour, highlights, baking done, and now I'm going to be drawing my brows. So yes, my eyebrows are in, and to the major part of this video, I'm going to be showing you a major hack on how to use your powder palette in place of your eyeshadow palette. Exciting, right? Let's get straight to it. So I'm going to be making use of this dark shade here and this lightest shade here. And some powder palette comes with like a shimmer, the one that shines a bit. So you can't see that, but it shines. So I'm going to be making use of that too, just to add like a little bit of glow to the finished look. So now I'm going to be going in with the darkest shade, and this is how it's going to turn out. So I'm just going to be blending that in to get rid of the sharp lines. Is about the darkest shade all done. This is what it looks like. This is the darkest shade. Now to go in with the lightest shade. Crease, I'm going to be making use of this shade with it comes with a little bit of shimmer, so I really like that shimmer effect, so I'm going to make use of this particular one. So that's what it looks like. The darkest shade of my powder and the lightest shade. So I use the lightest shade for my cut crease. That is the one that comes with like a little bit of shimmer, and the darkest shade on top of that. And this is about everything I'm going to be doing for my eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to go over and finish up with this look, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. And yes, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I've enjoyed filming it. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.